You are absolutely tired of being nickeled and dimed for every single piece of tech in your home. It starts with a small monthly fee for your music, then another for your movies. And suddenly, you realize you are paying a recurring tax just to see who is standing on your own front porch. That is the trap the big security companies have set for us. They sell you a piece of hardware, but then they lock the actual features behind a paywall every single month. It is frustrating. And honestly, it feels a bit like a recurring ransom for your own peace of mind. This is exactly why a lot of people are starting to look at the Vireon Video Doorbell as the ultimate escape hatch. It is a smart device that actually understands the value of a one-time purchase. Consider the last time you bought something and just owned it. Fully, without a bill showing up in your email 30 days later. That is the core appeal here. But the tech inside is what actually seals the deal. We are talking about high-definition video that looks sharp during the brightest parts of the day and stays remarkably clear when the sun goes down. The night vision is not that blurry. Ghostly mess you see in old security footage. It is crisp enough to identify faces and details, which is the whole point of having a camera in the first place. Then you have the motion alerts. Your phone gives you a little nudge the moment someone steps into the frame. You do not have to wait for them to actually press the button or knock on the door. You see them coming. This is a huge deal for anyone who lives alone and wants that extra layer of awareness before a stranger even gets close. The two-way audio acts like a bridge. You can tell the delivery person to leave the box behind the planter, or tell a solicitor you are busy, all while you're sitting in your pajamas on the couch, or even while you are miles away on a business trip. It creates this bubble of security around your home that you can access from any location. The installation process is another huge win for people who hate dealing with wires. You do not need to be a weekend warrior with a drill and a degree in electrical engineering. It is designed to be mounted and synced to your local network in about 10 minutes. It is basically a plug-and-play solution for your front entry. When you look at the landscape of home security, it is easy to get overwhelmed by the big names and their massive advertising budgets. But those brands are built on the idea of long-term subscriptions. They want that monthly cash flow. This device flips that script by giving you the high-def video, the motion detection, and the peace of mind without the hidden costs. Right now, there is a significant promotion happening where you can get this for half off, making it an incredibly affordable way to upgrade your home. It is about reclaiming your front door and doing it on your own terms. Without a monthly bill hanging over your head, it works for the solo dweller who wants to feel safe, and it works for the busy family trying to track down a missing package. If you want solid security that respects your bank account, this is a very compelling path to take. It is simple, it is effective, and most importantly, it is yours. No strings attached, no hidden fees, just a clear view of what matters most. It makes the whole process of home safety feel accessible again. Instead of feeling like another utility bill you have to manage, you just set it up and let it do its job.